Hello, ano po? Topic, development platform. So when we say native application development, so this refers to building a mobile app exclusively for a single platform. So now, when we talk about types of platform na available sa mobile app, so we have the Android, or Android na OS, iOS na OS. Ah, ang sang ligat ka may ara man sa Berry na OS. Ang Nokia may ara man siya sa pero subong wala na. And I think si Huawei nga platform is same lang ni siya kay Android. So, the app is built with programming languages and tools that are specific to a single platform. So, discuss naman sa video lecture, so si Android, so may specific siya nga programming languages nga gina-support for creating mobile apps. Java, Kotlin, and kung ano pa na. And for iOS, so may arta Swift, and then Objective-C. Okay, so muna, so basic ni siya mission sa native application development. The native na apps are known to deliver exceptional user experience as they are generally high performance. Kaya ang ginagamit addition dere is ginagamit niya ang ang supported gid nga programming languages and tools, APIs. So ano na, ma-reach na within the system. So mas lapit siya. The user experience is also enhanced as the visuals are tailored to the platform UX. So may user experience man na siya when it comes to ano, to different na platforms. So do notice nyo man na sa inyong Android may kung nakatry man kamo sang sang iOS nga platform, so may line na sila nga user interface and then user experiences. So when it comes for startups, for businesses, and for students, eh wala na sila budget, so concerned din na kamo budget, like cost, budget, regards sa money and then sa sa time nga i-allocate mo in order to develop the project. Kamo ni siyang mga main concerns sa native application development. Especially sa startups, okay? Sometimes ang target nila ang gusto nila nga ma-reach na customers are both iOS and then Android. Problema gid nila. So when these startup companies choose to proceed with native application development, so mahagi na sila sang iOS developer and then Android developer. Is Kuwari, ko lang, i-refresh ko lang ang advantages sa native app development. So, ang one of the advantages is broad functionality, meaning damo ng functionality ang available. Available sensors, ng functionality, GPS, accelerometer, Bluetooth. So, although ang ma-access man ni siya ni cross-platform development, pero mas siya, mas available na siya beforehand kaya native. Then, better store support, meaning sa App Store, di ba, sa Play Store. So, sila nag-ano, ang functionalities na sang or ang features sang store is more siya, more more on the favor sila sa native application development. And increase scalability. So sa pag scalability sa yung application, so more users ang gagamit. So pwede mo na siya maka-adapt na ang native application development. Then high performance and then great UX. But ang ang cons kay costly and then time consuming. Costly, so in terms of resource, so manpower pa na, ma-code, di ba? Then, ang time consuming, so ang time nga spent ang developer na to create your application. So, ari ang rundown ng pros. So, for broad functionality, access na sa every API and tools, every functional API na siya sa aton hardware, sa operating system, sa Android, sa iOS. So, ara na available na sa native application development. So, kung may bago na siya nga sa bagong version sa Android may bago na siyang API, so automatically ma-access na dayon sa sang native applications. And better store support. So, ang native app is easier to be published. Diba? Gina-review pa na nila and usually ranked higher on the platform's app store because it delivers better performance and speed. So, during review na siya, gina-favor nila sa mga reviewers ang native app kay better performance and speed. So, increase scalability naman, okay, we have apps built for the native environment also tend to be more scalable thanks to the flexibility in resource management and the arrays tools available. Let's proceed to the other. Cons naman. So, proceed to sa cons or the negatives or disadvantages of application development. So, when we say disadvantage is do things get okay. Doing repeat naman sa diba? Costly meaning it will take time. Teams, diba? Ma-hire pa na sa teams, pa na sa developers. Especially if you want to target the iOS and Android, so preferably 2 teams na siya. One for Android and then one for iOS. Then, next is we have time consuming. Ang app development is time consuming ni siya as the work done for platform cannot be duplicated for another. So, hindi mo na makapy-paste ang code sa Android to iOS or iOS to Android. So, separate team gina siya maobra. So, makapy naman na ang flow. Okay, so let's proceed na sa cross-platform development. So, this is cross-platform development lang na siya. So, this is a practice of developing software products or services for multiple platforms or software environments. Kung nilang ta isa, so gina-consider yan na 2 or more platforms. So, kung may other platforms pa na aside sa Android and then iOS, so most likely i-cover yan na. So, cross, meaning, ang product is compatible ni siya with multiple platforms. Compatible ni siya or available ni siya sa Android, available siya sa iOS. Engineers and developers use various methods to accommodate different operating systems or environments for one application or product. So, muna siya ang various methods na siya. So, discuss ko sa inyo React Native, Flutter, ang Xamarin, is gagamit na sila sang bridge. So, bridge nga ga-translate sang C# or JavaScript code into the native codes. Para compatible sila ang codes from one system to another different system. Cross-platform development points to the process of creating an app that works on several platforms. This is done by using tools or SDKs or frameworks like React Native, Xamarin, and Flutter, so where the apps created can be deployed on both Android and iOS. Naman siya mga common na frameworks or tools when we are creating cross-platform development applications. So while cross-platform development saves times and cost, gina-sacrifice na siya ang quality. Kay when we say this, gina-sacrifice na yung quality. So ang performance na siya. Performance. Ang yang flexibility, ang mga APIs siya nga pwede ma-access sa imong application is limited. So, although subong man siguro duga matamat na damo ang functionalities for nga available sa platform development, but over time na siya ga-develop as compared na siya sa native application. So once available na to ang specific nga API on that version, so most likely available naman siya for programmers or developers. But it is difficult to tailor an app that runs optimally on various platforms. And the app will need additional abstraction layer when running, so thus resulting in a lower performance. So this abstraction layer, so this you can say that are the bridge that community the cross-platform code into the native code. So for startups, 'di ba, for smaller companies, gusto nila mag-produce ng ilang application. For bigger companies, so ina-favor nila ni ang cross-platform development. So they will favor this because of the reduction in time and cost. Gusto nila mapagawa dayon ang ilang application. So they can achieve this with the use of cross-platform development. So ang mapagawa nila ang application then as well, siya, available siya for Android and then iOS. However, you need to bear in mind that it might be more difficult to customize the app beyond what's allowed in the framework. So usually, siya mga APIs, mga functionalities, na siya, built-in na siya sa framework, sa React Native, sa Flutter. So, sang liga, before 2020, ang before gali, let's say, mga 2018, 2017, ang APIs nga available sa React Native is, siya, very limited na siya. So, ang support nila sa accelerometer, mga hardware, sa mga sensors is either limited or none. So, kung magamit ka na sa this sensor, so most likely, mas stay away ka sa cross-platform development. So, at that time, but for now, so though na-enhance naman ang APIs na available sa mga framework, sa cross-platform development framework. So, subong niya, pwede mo na siya ma-consider. So the idea of cross-platform development is that a software application or product should work well in more than one specific digital habitat. And so different platforms. So this capability is typically pursued in order to sell software for more than one proprietary operating system, just to accommodate the use in both Microsoft and then Apple platform. So ang idea nga so hindi lang ni siya limited. Hindi lang ni siya ang limited sa mobile application development. So this has been used in other application development, so desktop application development. So for web, kaya nun siya cross-platform nga daan si web. So with the development of mobile devices in other kinds of platforms, as well as the proliferation of the open source technologies like Linux, so more kinds of cross-platform development have been emerged. So as technology progresses pa, most likely madamo pa na nga may bago binang platforms. So these frameworks like Flutter or React Native, so will also find a way in order to integrate their application into that specific framework. So in general, cross-platform development can make a program less efficient. So less efficient when it comes to performance, scalability, etc. So for example, it can require redundant processes or file storage folders for the various systems that it's supposed to support. So it may also require a program to be dumbed down to accommodate less sophisticated software environments. So dumbed down ta, so i-water down ta. So meaning hindi siya rich sa functions. So limited functions lang siya. Kay sometimes these environments that you have, for example, may environments nga wala support sa sensors or limited na support sa sensors. So kung gusto mo na that environment or that platform you want to you want to support or to make your application available kay damo be customers na ito mo na ang sacrifice nga brown mo. However, in many cases, the makers of the software figured out the limitations of cross-platform development are worth dealing with in order to offer an application or product to a wide set of users. Most likely, kung mag-ano kay Goodman, meaning kung gusto mo ni mag-tackle sa cross-platform development, so either you want it to be fast, diba, ang output, diba? And then, ang imong, gusto mo na siya mag-reach sa specific nga, customer that uses that specific na platform. Kung gusto mo both Android and iOS, at the same time gusto mo na sila malabot, so most likely, you're going to use the cross-platform development. So some of the fundamental strategies for cross-platform development include compiling different versions of the same program for different operating systems. So in other cases, the use of sub-tree files to apply or fit the product to different operating systems. Another major approach is to make the program abstract at certain levels in order to accommodate different software environments. Tamo ang mga methods nila or techniques that enables these codes to run into to be supported into other na software environments or software platform. So softwares like this, di ba? Ang atong nga cross-platform nga app. So it is said to be platform agnostic. So in that it doesn't value or support one platform over the other. So matawag na siya nga agnostic sa platform. So developers can also use application programming interfaces to adjust a piece of software to a specific. So ang sa last sentence kani, since this framework, so nakasampaw ni siya sa API or nakasampaw siya sa native nga platform, so they can utilize those. So domain codes na ng Ebron, then utilize na nila ang available nga APIs to adjust mo na kung may modify ka man da. For example, modify mo da ang function sa Bluetooth, ang function sa pagbasa sa Bluetooth, na sabi pag fetch sang Bluetooth sang Bluetooth users or Bluetooth nga around yun.